function type integer, return a value, function name factorial, and parameter will be number. Integer factorial integer number will take variable integer f equal 1. We need a for loop for integer I equal 1. I is lower equal than number I plus plus. We'll say f equal f times I and return f. That's the end of function. Factorial is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. The formula is here for our function. If we take number equal 5, I is from 1 to 5. Factorial is 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4, 1 times 5. At least we'll return f equal 120. First, we'll write function prototype. That is mandatory if we write function above main. Type of function is integer factorial and the type of parameter is integer. That is the function prototype. Now we'll write main integer n, the variable that will take the values by the user. Now we have to call the function printf factorial of %d equal %d for the factorial. Here we have n variable and here is function call with the name of function factorial n. At least return 0. Now we have to write the function with the same name as here. Integer number. Variables that we need are integer f equal 1. We need the for loop f equal f to save the previous value times I. At least we'll return f. That was our function. Now we'll execute and see the result. We'll say factorial 5. Factorial 5 is 120. We're right.
U tretën, premtimet, vërtetën Kam dashtën ty, sa vetën, ta fala ty
Your Fast Code is an educational site and to inform about programming. Your Fast Code consists of site on YouTube and blog, and it is also on social sites like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Your Fast Code has extensive programming information and currently programming language C. The blog and YouTube explain topics such as simple exercises in C. Function in C, arrays in two-dimensional arrays in C, etc.